So this is a crypto money maker. So yeah, like Bitcoin's right up today in Australia. It's at 70,000. So that's always nice. And when that happens, it pushes up these coins. If you've been following along, you would have seen that my account, it dropped down to like 9,000 or something, and now I'm up to 19,840. So today I thought I'd show you kind of what I call Robin Hood skimming, where I rob from the rich to pay the poor. And I've increased my limit. I was at $115, so skimming $5 out of there. I've now decided to increase it to $150. I've been doing that for the last few days. And what it does is it allows it to grow, and it allows things to expand and get bigger and bigger. It allows these bottom ones here to keep building up. So you could easily see there, if I wanted to pull out, 115, just pull out 5, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So there'd be like $210 there if I was taking out $5 out of each of those coins above 115. But I'm not. Again, you've got to put these restrictions on yourself so you allow it to grow, as well as, not sort of just retard the whole thing the whole time, because I want to take advantage of these big ones, like, see, QNT there has gone up 47% today. So now it's up $425. I think it was at like 290 or something the other day. So, it's increased a lot. But again, I'm not going to take all that money out, because what if there's another day tomorrow where it goes up 100%? Well, then that will be up to $1,000 then. So it'd be worthwhile just leaving it in there. So I'm just going to skim out $5 out of, anything over 155. Because anything over 155 means that if I take out 5, it'll pull it back to 150. So I'm just trying to keep it above that sort of limit at the moment, and allow these bottom coins to grow a bit more as they go along. So the Sol, I'll take some in FTM. Remember, I'm not in love with any coin. The only coin I'm in love with is the coin that pays me money. So you can see here I'm only taking out a little bit of money. I'm taking out $5. I mean, I could take out $10 and double this easily. But I just won't. Well, maybe I will. I don't know. I won't today. Again, I'm just showing you how I do this Robin Hood thing. Sometimes I'll take money out and I'll put it in my pocket. Sometimes I just won't, But even at these small percentage increases with this large amount, well, they're not large. A couple $100 is not large. But larger amounts of money, if it goes up a couple of percent, well, taking out $5 is not going to affect it that much. See, there's Axis here, it's at 2%. Was it 250 bucks or something like that was in there? So taking out $5 here is not really going to affect that increase. So I still get that profit growth. I still get compounding interest, which is kind of really what's happening here. And I still get 51%. So it's cute, isn't it? And I still get a little bit of money out to play with, either to put back in my bank account, or in this instance I'll just be reinvesting it. So T-Fuel, love T-Fuel. It's been a really good earner the whole time. It hasn't really faltered me, and it's always one that sort of tends to do well when Bitcoin goes down. You see, it's doing all right, even though Bitcoin's had a pretty big day today. Oh, it's at 69,000 now. So yeah, it dropped down nearly $600 just in the time between when I started this thing to where it is now. So if you're one of those traders who jump in there and ride that fluctuation, I hope you really stay on the ball. I'm lazy, I don't want to do that, I just want to let it grow, but I still want to take my profit. So this is where I'm robbing from the rich and paying to the poor. So here I'll do by percentage change rather than the smallest. And what I'm kind of looking for here is the smallest amount of money that I've got, but the biggest drop in percentage change there. So I'll just take ADR there, or Vibe maybe. I'll do ADR, I don't even know what that is, Adore wallet. And I'll just buy that. I'll just buy $40 worth of that. And so all I'm doing there is skimming my profits that are high and then reinvesting it back into whatever's dropped down the most, so that I have increased its kind of value. Good there. So there you are. So now, because it's dropped down 22, nearly 23%, and I bought in, what was it, $40? Well, that $40 now buys me more. So now when that flips back around and grows back up again, well, then I get more as a result of that investment. That's really all I'm doing then is buying from the bottoms and putting it back in. So if you've looked back at some of my earlier videos, you'll see how much this has increased, and you'll see if I was taking 115, like I said, I could have easily pulled out $200 there, not affected it, maybe put $100 back in, put $100 in my pocket, be all cool. But I'm just gonna let it ride and see what happens now. Anyway, so don't forget I've got the book on Amazon. I think it's only like $3 or something. I made it the cheapest that Amazon would allow me to make it. Not because I'm trying to undercut anybody or anything like that, but just because I wanted to have the information as cheaply as possible. You could just watch these YouTube videos and work it out for yourself and then create your own system. Again, I don't mind. Do whatever sort of suits you. I'm really happy with any of those. This sort of system kind of works well on CoinSpot just because it has the green and red sort of system that I follow off. But like I said, this 19,800, it's all profit. Not a single cent of this is money that I've put in there myself. I've got that money out. I only put $1,000 in there initially, and I had it up to 33,000. Then we had that massive drop, and now it's building back up again. I think Bitcoin here was at like 85,000 at that point when I was at 33,000. So because I spread this money over all the coins, as you can see when it catches up, I just have everything. I just bought all the coins, and I don't always have a lot of every coin. But that is my goal at the moment, is to get all these coins over $100 or over the $150 threshold. And and at that point, there's roughly 300 coins on this thing. So at that point, it should be something like 30,000 to 45,000. But some of these coins, as you see, are well over the 100 mark. So it'll probably be around the $60,000-$70,000 mark then. And that is off $1,000. And then I've got all that money back plus so much more. I've taken money out and I've bought things and used it and reinvested it and bought gold and silver and bought other stocks and shares and just put it aside and done all those sort of things as well. So it's made me money, it's grown me money, it's allowed me to invest money into other things that diversify your portfolio. And so keep having fun, keep trading, and enjoy.